At Workhorse, we build Class 4 and Class 5 and 6 EV trucks. We use Teamcenter X across all of our organizations. We have both designers and engineers using Teamcenter X. That data is shared with our purchasing agents, as well as our manufacturing engineering teams, and as well as our suppliers, and some of our third-party upfit partners as well. We had time pressure to engineer a new truck. It's our W56. It's our flagship product. We were able to implement Teamcenter X in a very short period of time. We were able to process engineering change notices, engineering drawings to the enterprise. I don't have to worry about servers. I don't have to worry about infrastructure. I don't have to worry about managing a team that goes along with the infrastructure. I rely completely on Siemens and Teamcenter X to manage the infrastructure for me. From an upgrade perspective, it's really all on the Siemens team to make sure that the upgrade goes smoothly. We started with just one product using Teamcenter X and NX. As our business continues to grow, and as our business continues to add more product and more configurations of the product, the Teamcenter X toolset has been scalable. We've been able to scale through end users, through our engineering team. We've been able to scale with more of our partners coming on board to use the data, more purchasing agents, more supply chain specialists that are all using the Teamcenter X environment. Utilizing Teamcenter X, my IT resources have not had to worry about infrastructure, cybersecurity components of the tool. It's allowed my IT resources to work on more strategic areas, and we feel very comfortable that they've got the correct protective measures in place to protect our IP. Our designing and building electric trucks often requires a significant amount of part changes. Teamcenter X helped us implement change management both on the process and the system side. At Workhorse Group, we did have a multi-CAD environment. We were using SolidWorks and NX. The big problem we had with the multiple CAD environments was cost, extra hardware, software, and extra support costs. Being an EV startup, we couldn't really afford to have that kind of extra overhead IT cost. So the decision was made to go with one standard platform, which was NX. Our trucks average about 2,700 part numbers in total. Our bill of material structure is about 5 layers deep. So it's a very complex BOM. Teamcenter X managed that BOM structure for us. Our BOM updates happen into QAD on the hour. We plan in the future to implement the Siemens configurator module, because as our products becoming more and more complex, we're going to need a configurator module. And we're also interested in implementing the supply chain module of Teamcenter X to give our suppliers better improved visibility into our engineering documents. We've relied on 2 key strategic partners to implement Teamcenter X. One is ProLim. ProLim does our day-to-day IT support for the tool. And the other one is a company called Mavenberg, another Siemens partner. But one of the key advantages for us was the fact that it was Siemens that controlled the deployment of code to the Teamcenter X environment. They were responsible for making sure that the application ran and was up and performed well. Since going live with Teamcenter X, we are now down to just a part-time support on the Teamcenter X and NX environment. So the efficiencies that we've gained in IT to allow our IT team to focus on more strategic items have been a key advantage to using Teamcenter X.